All right, hey everyone, I'm going to show you my favorite way to insert those special characters when I'm in a Google Doc. So if I was on a keyboard, say on my Mac or on my Chromebook, and I didn't have my special Alt key codes ready and handy, this is the way I use special characters. So I've got my recipe here for my Ted Lasso biscuits, and I need to type in here degrees Fahrenheit by the number 300. So I'm going to go to the Insert menu and choose Special Characters. Now I could be boring and type in the word degrees here, but my favorite way to do it is to draw out what character I want. So if I draw a little circle with an F beside it, I get degrees Fahrenheit, and I can go ahead and insert that right into my Google Doc. Such a fun way to do that. And the reason why I like to draw it is because if I don't know the name of the symbol, that's an easy way to do it if I can just draw it out. And I just drew that out with my mouse. I didn't use any special drawing pad or anything. Just drew it with my mouse. And usually does pretty good. It can find what you need. So that is a way to be able to insert those special characters into a Google Doc.